Okay, hello. My name is Clint Carter. You might already know that if you sent me a friend request, or maybe I friend requested you. But I just wanted to introduce myself in person. I had seen someone else do this, and it helps out so you can kind of get to know who you're talking to or who you friended. I really don't want any business proposals or any investment proposals because I'm already into business for myself. I have multiple businesses, and while I appreciate your offer, I just don't need to get into anything else. Now, I will help share your post if it's something I'm interested in or I think it's legit and good. I'll help share your post and like your post, and I ask that you can do the same for me if I ever put anything out there. But first off, I'll let you know that I'm not going to ask you for any money in this video, okay, or at the end of the video or whatever. I'm just going to tell you about myself. Right now, I'm in school. I'm working towards a master's degree in social work, but I also have other businesses. I have a home inspection business that I do in South Missouri or in Missouri, Southeast Missouri. I currently live close to Missouri, but I live in Arkansas. And like I said, I've been in school for a number of years working towards a master's degree. I didn't even get into school until I was 35. But I'm an entrepreneur, and so I'm into business. I trade on the Forex market on a full-time basis, and just depending on what day it is and how much I want to get into trading that week. Sometimes for me, less is better. The reason I'm doing this video is because I've seen someone else do a video and they sent it to me after we became friends, and it kind of helped me get to know them. It always helps, especially if you're in the business. You want to know who you're surrounding yourself by. I want to be around like-minded people that are positive. I'm a follower of Christ, so I try to make him center of everything, and it helps me keep balanced. So I'm into ministry and leading some ministry groups and into some nonprofits. I sit as an executive director in a nonprofit here locally, and help kind of nonprofits grow, and just wherever I can help. I like to educate people about things that I've been through and spent years on, and I love to be educated and I love to learn. So the reason I do this video, another reason is because if you're new into Forex, or even if you've been into Forex and trading a long time, the reason I love Forex so much is because when the pandemic hit, I was forced to be home with kids as they were put out of school, and I started thinking about other business. What can I get in that's going to be recession proof? And I was already into Forex, so all I had to do is just dive in more, because I know that it's not going anywhere, and I know it's one thing that anybody can do. It doesn't matter where you've been in life, you can do it. You can be taught. And so I'm not going to ask you for any money in this video, or at the end of the video I'm not going to ask you for any money. What I want to tell you is that if you are into Forex and you need to get educated, you don't need to sit around and just do trial and error and spend your money and try to trade and get money, make money on a hunch, okay? You need to be educating yourself, and yes, you can educate yourself, whether it be YouTube, but the thing is I've been a part of multiple platforms on the Forex community. I've bought very expensive indicators over the years and tried them, and I've tried a lot of stuff. So there's no need for you to go through trial and error and waste your money. What you need to do, and I encourage everybody in this, is to get in an education platform. And like I said, I've been in multiple education platforms. There's one educational platform called Epic Trading that I will back, and that I will tell others about, and it's one that I stay in, and it's one that I learn the most from. And if you're going to you think you're going to stay heavily into Forex, if you want to make this a full-time job, if you want more time with your family, if you want to make money based on what you're worth and not your hourly work, then Forex is probably for you, okay? And I say that because you don't need a college degree to do it. Even though some people go to college for finance and analysis, you don't have to. And I've got a $90,000 in debt on my master's degree right now. Now, Forex will pay that off, okay? I will do both, but that's because I'll get fulfillment out of therapy and being a therapist, and the Forex trading will be what pays my bills, and gives me that extra time with family, and just lets me have the freedom that I've always wanted, that I have now. So if you're interested in Forex, or you're trying to learn, I want to point you towards Epic. Reach out to me. I'll send you a link to it. I'll answer any questions you have. And all I ask is if you join Epic, I want you to join my team. And because for one thing, I'm going to work with you one-on-one. Now, I do one-on-one mentoring for people outside, and for people that don't have time to invest in themselves and get into Epic. The thing is one-on-one mentoring is more expensive, and that's just for people that need that one-on-one. If you join Epic and you're part of Epic and that platform that I'm part of, I'm going to give you one-on-one time anyways. And the thing is, with Epic, you have 24 hours a day that you can get in there, and you can go, it's like a university, it's like a college. You can get in there and you can learn, and you can watch videos and weeks of videos and a 2-week syllabus, almost just like you're entering school again, but it's all there on videos, and it's broken down to where you can easily understand it just for anybody. And they have just about any question you have, it's been asked, or they will answer it. Not only does it have that, the thing is if you jump in on the Forex market and you're sitting here trying to learn on your own, you're going through trial and error. And I'm telling you that because I know I've been there. And the thing is you don't have to do that. You can go, instead of wasting the $100 you're spending through trial and error, or your hundreds and hundreds or thousands of dollars, take that $99 and get yourself in the educational platform. One thing is that you're going to make money while you're in that education platform, because they have sessions, live sessions, 3 times a day, okay? Morning, evening, and late night at 2 in the morning. So every time there's a session open on the stock market, they're doing live sessions, and they're teaching you. It's live over Zoom. So while you're learning, and the teachers are teaching, they're also they're taking trades when they see the setup. So they're telling you right off the bat, they're entering on their own money, and you can copy right then and get in with them, or do it on your own. I don't suggest giving other people your money ever. Learn to invest and trade on your own money, because that's what's going to make you and give you the time that you need with your family, or give you unlimited access to money however much you want. It's up to you, and you can do it. That's the thing. So don't ever invest your money or send these people that want your money, they're going to tell you 10 times more. You can make 10 times more, but you need to do it yourself. Don't worry, they're not going to do it. They're scamming you, okay? Yes, Forex is risky just like anything else, but it's the one thing that's recession proof, that you can learn, that you can get in some education, teach yourself, stay up for hours, and read all night if you want to. And I suggest you do if you have that energy. If not, a couple hours a day, okay? You'll get there quickly. And so if you have any questions, you can reach out to me. But so along with those live sessions and the weeks and weeks worth of videos and trainings, they also have signals that get sent out to you throughout the day, buys and sells, and you can get in on that. And if none of this makes any sense, then I can teach you if you want to learn. Anyways, that's a little bit about me, and like I said, I don't want any money, but I do want to educate people and try to get them in the right direction so you don't go broke trying to learn things. Anyways, I want positive people to be around me, and I want to be around positive people, and I want to be around entrepreneurs that are thriving and doing good. And if that's what you're looking for, then you made a right choice being friends with me, and we can work together. And I build websites, I do all kinds of stuff, and I love educating people. So if there's something you know that you can teach me, I would love to learn from you. And so reach out to me, and I'll probably reach out to you. We're here to grow together. And so join my Facebook. I've got a group on there called the Forex channel. I've got a YouTube channel started, and let's help each other and educate each other. And I appreciate you accepting my friend request, or I appreciate you reaching out to me and becoming my friend. And I look forward to seeing you and to growing with you, okay? So if you have any questions, reach out to me. All I ask is if you join Epic, join my team, and let's work together, okay? Anyways, I hope you have a blessed day, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.